I am here at the Astronergy booth, and hi.
Yeah, hi.
Well, what's your name?
Yeah, it's Eric Fan. I'm the technical support for the APAC regions.
Okay. So please tell us what is the most latest and the product which you are promoting here at the show.
Okay, thank you. This time I want to introduce our N7 latest TOPCon technology modules. And this module uses the rectangular wafers, 182 and 210 modules, and use 66 pieces of solar cells, which can reach the highest power 630, and use the TOPCon 4.0 technology, and use SMBB and bifacial modules. And in this module, we get the key feature is 4 higher, 1 low. We get a high temperature, high efficiency, and higher technology and high reliability. And we can help the clients to get the lower BOS and lower LCOE. And in this technology, as the SMBB can help you to against the micro clocks, and we can the bifacial can get the high power gain from rear side, and also we use the lighter recurring fumes. If we see from the rear side, you will see that the light direct films is a white one, and then compared to our other competitors, we use a very thick white painting, but we are using very thinner. So in this technology, we can firstly increase the front power and also shorter the coverage for the rear side. So also can increase the rear side power. So finally, we can get a higher power in the front and get a higher bifaciality. This is our new technology for N7, the most popular one for utility projects.
And is it focused to Europe or global? Which are the major markets you would like to focus?
For the European market, we will use the rooftop one. The rooftop we use N7S, but not here. Is that way? We can go there.
No, I think we will finish here. So, is the product available commercially? Can I order it if I want to buy?
Right now, it's already started most production, and we have already sold more than 1 gigawattage globally, and our total capacity is more than 6 gigawattage. And in the next year, we will get around 10 more gigawattage for these modules. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.